nigga Nate, from my nigga Frank No. What the fuck it is, man? Bird City to the death for me, my nigga.
And D-Block, bitch.
Yeah, pussy. And
Fuck a chain, already banging. You already know what time it is. After that, if you don't know the series, man.
When you see, no, on some real shit, when you see this mobile, when you see this fucking car around your way, nigga, you know it's a problem.
Niggas on D-Block,
blues,
man.
nigga.
Hell, when you see them blues on your block, nigga, you already know what the fuck is.
You gotta get the Super B right here.
Super B.
You gotta get the Super B.
Super B. You gotta get the Super B.
Hey, check it out. You shit.
Super B.
You shit.
You know what I mean?
You shit real
Super
close.
B. You see that?
You see the
Close
Super
in,
B?
bitch.
Real close. You see?
Y'all niggas can't
Super
pay
B.
Yeah, that's that Super B.
Already.
This is more
Size
than
it
your
up.
food cost.
Size it up. You shit.
Yeah.
In 6 months, nigga.
Yeah.
More than your food costs in 6 months.
Yeah, nigga. You already
Fuck
know.
you.
Yeah. Block money, nigga. Block money to death, nigga. You already know what it is,
I told them niggas this, son.
Yeah, tell them, nigga.
Nigga, it's
Yo.
Sugar City.
Yo, I'm Soul Survivor.
Yeah.
I don't believe in karma.
Yeah.
Rather believe in honor. Do you
Yeah.
feel my aura?
Yeah.
Rather believe in me when nights get harder.
Yeah.
Seen soldiers go to war with knives and armors.
Yeah.
With assault of drugs, stabbing themselves on corners. Dead dad, we can't get ourselves in order.
No.
Hate jails and prisons. Something's missing. Progress iffy. Something's fishy.
Yeah.
Do you feel me? If we all the same, then why do they hate me? If it's all a game, then you just fake B. If I'm going to hell, then you come take me. Yeah, my skin is mine, but it don't make me. You heard me? Shark in the pool. Told y'all niggas before, I do what I do.
Niggas don't even
Hold on.
Newport box, bitch. Fuck all y'all niggas.
Hold on, Nate. Let me tell you. I'm in the Benz the same color as Kanye. Working the Bird City, we got guns like Iran. Don't make me and Frank run up in your fucking house. Nigga got the fucking 9 locking out. We be sparking out, nigga, what the talk's about. And when we come at them, nigga, what the talk's about. You already talk shit, nigga, what the talk's about. I say that too.
Benz out.
Man, nigga, you know what I'm talking about. It's P-Dubb, I don't need niggas. I got 4 guns, nigga, 1 trigger. So when I get ya, nigga, I'm gonna split ya. I'm gonna make you meet the Lord Allah and he gonna be with ya.